In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change the video quality on the YouTube mobile app. So to demonstrate this, I'm going to go and open up a video. Now, once the video is playing, you can pause the video and then you can see at the top right-hand corner are 3 vertical dots. Tap on those 3 vertical dots and then you will see here it says quality. Right now it's set to auto and it's on 720p, but if I want to change that, all I need to do is tap on where it says quality and then you have a couple of options. You can have auto, which adjusts to give you the best experience for your conditions, a higher picture quality, but keep in mind that that will use more data, and then data saver mode, which will have a lower quality. So you can pick between those 3 settings, or you can tap on advanced and then you can manually set the resolution of the video that you would like. So if I would like 1080p, I would select it and then it says 1080p will be automatically applied to your video. So right now we have changed the video quality for one single video. If I go back now into those settings and I want to go ahead and change the settings for all my videos, it says at the bottom, this selection only applies to the current video. For all videos, go to settings, quality preferences. So if you tap on that, you now have a couple of options, pretty much the same. You can change your quality for mobile networks and then you can change the quality for Wi-Fi, and you have those 3 settings that I mentioned before, but they don't have the advanced feature where you can change the quality of like selecting 720p or 1080p. That's the only downside of this right now. You can't do that. You can only change the video quality for single videos, but that would be the process of how you do it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Take care.